Hello, welcome to a new video. This is Spicy, the currently floating possum. So it's time to do a PNGtuber. What is a PNGtuber? A PNGtuber is an animated avatar. It uses a series of images that get automatically animated based on your mic using software. For this one, we're just doing the eye blinks and mouth flaps. Nothing too crazy with lip syncing. And hopefully it'll be a little more interesting than whatever is going on the screen right here. Alright, let's go. So first we go to ye old trusty Google here. Type in PNGtuber software. And here's VtoTube? VtoTube? Alright. Read the terms of use as they ask. I'm so tired. I love it. Alright, terms of use read. Scroll down, we got the download thing. Looks like they got Windows, Linux, and Mac. It's free, but if you got that money, throw some money at them. They did this project for free. It's awesome and accessible. And oh, I see HonkTuber Lip Sync Suite. So that one is a $12 program, which I might upgrade after this, but... And I will be honest, I didn't want to draw more lip syncing for the moment. Alright, so we got it open. We got this cute default deer. So what do we gotta do? We gotta go get a closed mouth image, an open mouth image, closed mouth blinking image, and open mouth blinking image. We got some motions here too. Alright, time to go to the drawing tablet. I do not have a tablet stand, so this what? We got big sketchbook, we got little sketchbook. And then... boom, life hack. Put that on your lap. So I have the sketch. I don't love it, but I like the shape of it. So we're gonna mess around with it a bit and see what we got. So I think it'd be easier to just keep the base on a separate layer and then draw the eyes and mouth on a different layer so you can combine them as needed when you upload your images. Here we are in Photoshop. You can use Clip Studio and you could also do this in Procreate. Just, it was easier for me for Photoshop. And then I merged all these layers. So completely there should be 4 different images. And I just copied the background so it wouldn't just be translucent under the possum itself. And be sure you have these little checkered things in the background. That means your image is translucent, and hence the name PNGtuber. You have to save these as a PNG file. And I didn't color this one just because I wanted to test out if it actually worked. I also had to crop it because my image was too huge. So you have your 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, all as transparent PNG files. And then you also want to save a Photoshop file, a Clip Studio file, a Procreate file, whatever, just to be sure you can go back and edit things. Back in the program, default. Gonna start adding the other images. Slowly but surely, I'm getting some life here. My mouth isn't moving right now because over on the left here in the green it says microphone volume sensitivity. I have to turn that way down for it to actually pick up. You just turn it down where you see the green hit. And then you should be able to get the mouth to move. Okay, so the image works. I'm gonna go back and color this. And here we are. Add a little steam cloud to the mug. So you could just like add new things as well. You could change like your tail. You can add instances. Here we go. State 1, create state. And you can do things like, I don't know, like say you want to do like a sweat drop, angry eyebrows, etc, etc. You can activate those with hotkeys. Okay, so here we are in OBS. Holy snap. So we're gonna go to sources, add game capture. Let's see, create a new one, capture any full screen, capture a specific window maybe? Clearly I'm this vote of confidence. Allow transparency. Let's say okay. I'm gonna move OBS farther away. We have this image. And move this guy around. You should have these little, hold up, have these red things and you can, ooh, wait, what did I do? I think I moved something else. Okay, yeah. Oops. Okay, I tried. Well, pretend this background is seamless. If you're like, hey Spicy, I don't know how to draw. I don't have an art piece that I could use. Well, pretty much do what you do for looking for general commissions. There might be some on Ko-fi if you type in PNGtuber commission, or just PNGtuber in their commission tab. Same thing with Twitter. I am going to open these. I can't say that they will be open during the time you're watching this video, but the best way you can see if I'm open is checking my card or following my Twitter or Tumblr, and I'll announce things there. And if commissioning is not an option, let's do PayHip. PNGtuber. Oh, there's a bear one. That's cute. Yeah, it's free too. You can also tip the artist. Let's say Gumroad. Okay, we got a human here. Digital base. What's this? Oh, you got a protogen. You got options. This one's $10 plus. There's a kobold. If there are any species you want to see, feel free to let me know. I'll probably make them and put them up in my shop as well. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.